Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth. I'm sitting outside. It is a beautiful Sunday, bro.
Yep.
I got an unboxing for you guys, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do this on Sunday, man, because a lot of y'all think I was in my feelings about this sneaker, bro. Y'all know how I feel some type of way when y'all see this shoe. If y'all been watching any of the lives, man, shout out to my dog Plenty, man. He been trying to poke the bear a little bit when it comes to this sneaker, cause this ain't a Kobe, bro. Yeah, nope. Kobe wore this sneaker, but yeah, man, I'm saying it, bro. This ain't a Kobe. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this is supposed to be the Kobe one. No, it ain't. No. Oh, they stopped it because of the allegations. No, if it's a sneaker, if it's sneaker. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's stop that. You know, I ain't never seen Nike come out and make no statements like that. I ain't never seen it. So, yeah, I'm saying it. This was just a sneaker that Kobe and a lot of other basketball players wore, man. Today, we're going to be unboxing, reviewing, and talking about, man. Look right here. This is the Nike Huarache 2K4, man. Let's talk about it. There you go.
Them hard, I should cop me a pair. Jordan ain't the only one that's an air.
Alright, so I've already opened up this package because I just couldn't wait to open them up. Let's start off with this price point. Price point was $210 for these things. What? That's crazy, man. I think when they dropped back in 2004, if I remember myself, man, it was like 120, 125 max. It wasn't no more than 130. And with diamond turfs and Dion's and all that stuff coming back, the max price you seeing these going for is like 180. This shouldn't have been no different, but because they want to throw Kobe's name on it, they want to put that 210 price point. And so I'm happy and excited to see that this shoe is sitting and it's available and it's dropping down to the price point. I paid $150 and change for this sneaker, and I think that is the max price that we should be paying for this 2K4 Huarache. But y'all let me know in the comment section. Nonetheless, all right, so we have the sneakers. Let me show you guys the box and everything like that. They do give us a little bit more extra boxing. Oh, let me get this leaf out of there. All right, so when the box comes, it comes like, all right, so this is the box that it comes in. You know what I'm saying? You got the LA right there. They kind of look like a 24. You know, Nike, I see what y'all did, man. You know what I'm saying? Then you got right there 2004 limited edition. You got the all-star things right here. Here's the size tag. I'm gonna say go true to size on these. Air Zoom Huarache 2K4 all-star. Notice it don't say Kobe anywhere on there, but open it up, you got, you know, the LA and stuff like that, details. They do come in this dust bag, and maybe the dust bag is the reason why a lot of people are justifying that 210 price point. I don't know, man, but I don't think it is. Nice little Nike logo right there. That is all with the packaging, and then you have these shoes right here. These are fire, man. These are fire, man. This is a sneaker, like I said, that I feel like I had to have in my collection just because Kobe did wear it, and I respect it. And it's an iconic silhouette, man. This is a all-time fave basketball sneaker for a lot of people. Technology and stuff was advanced back then, and you know, it's just a great nostalgic basketball sneaker. Kobe did some great things in this shoe, along with a lot of other players in this silhouette, but not this particular shoe. This is one that Kobe did wear during the All-Star game. First time we seen it. You feel what I'm saying? So right here you do have that LA right there that kind of looks like the 24. Like I said, Nike, y'all good, bro. Y'all good. You got the Huarache right here, 2K4 on the strap. You got the blue Nike swoosh right there. You got the Huarache logo on the back. There go the booty of this sneaker, looking real vintage and nice. Got a little bit hits of chrome back there. Toe box, leather and stuff like that ain't too bad. As you guys can see, got the Nike Air. Only white laces in here. I don't see myself switching out the laces in these sneakers. Inside of the shoe, white Nike swoosh right there. Then on the bottom of the shoe, you got the Zoom Air right there. And then the black Nike swoosh, red, white, and blue on the bottom. USA vibes, you feel what I'm saying? We're gonna go on the inside of this shoe, and you do have the date right here. Let me show you guys. You got the date right here, 2/15/2004 All-Star game. And then if you unstrap them, it's nothing no different, man. You know what I'm saying? Nothing behind there, nothing on the tongue, anything like that. Inside of the shoe, you do have the Huarache logo right there, white sock liner, all that good stuff, man. All in all, not a bad sneaker in my opinion. That was the right one, and then here is the left one for you guys. Let me know down in the comment section, was this a must cop for you guys? And then as I asked, man, what would be the max price you would pay for this sneaker? Because I just feel like, man, 210 is crazy for a Huarache. I ain't even gonna lie, man. And if this is, let's say it was a Kobe. Let's say it was a Kobe. 210 for this sneaker and no Mamba logo and stuff like that. I still feel like it's crazy work because I don't even pay 210 for the 6s or any other Kobe. So I don't understand what was the logic behind this shoe being 210, but hey, it is what it is. But nonetheless, we do have them right here for under retail. Y'all make sure y'all check y'all stores, local stores and stuff like that. They will be marking these things down because they are sitting, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna be at the outlet soon, man. I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember everything we talk about, including this Huarache, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Go home.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the brew for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.